Hey, what is up, guys? So pretty much in this video I just want to show you this one. So this is the cassette of I Love to Dance. I mean, original disco, and it says new 85 and non-stop sound effect. And the coolest thing is when I bought this I didn't realize. However, I've heard to like 3 songs on this, and the first song at the back, Maria Magdalena. Oh my God, the extended version, crazy song. I just love that first song. And the other song which I have heard to is Material Girl by Madonna. And the third song is You're My Heart, You're My Soul by Modern Talking. So pretty much it's so unique, this cassette. Back in the day, they selected these super nice songs, and the coolest thing is this cassette is made in Indonesia. So I really do like the detail on this. I'm not sure whether this was the actual cassette case for this. However, this is the lyrical version, because there is lyrics inside the cassette. So let's undo this. So when we undo it, it's a it's a unique cassette, as you can see, and it says Pern USA right there. And there's J Violet, maybe they were the original owner of this cassette. And on the inside, I really love the inlay card. There's no too many details on the whole thing, but we have the lyrics. Back in the day, getting lyrics inside the cassette, uh, it just made it more special. And you could, for those non-speakers, they understood better when they actually related the song with the lyrics, and they became like life lessons, some of these songs, because uh, they had so much of meaning, and the whole thing was just amazing. So let me just show you on the inside of this. It's beautiful. The font right here, as you can see, beautiful. So let me see, Maria Magdalena. Wow, it's beautiful. Maria Magdalena. I love the fact that they have put all the detail on this. Like, it's just beautiful. And for the most part, it's when you actually listen to a song, and then when you buy a classic, uh, detail like this, it just sort of like connects so naturally. And that's what I can say. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Give a big thumbs up if you did like the video, and do subscribe. And you can see more detail on this of Pern USA. And I really like the art right here. It's beautiful. And the gold, it's nice that they added the touch to like the heart A and C. It's really nice. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Give a big thumbs up if you did like the video, and do subscribe. There it is.